I'm not a morning person at all. But to my defense, they're doing construction at my house. And for some reason they start at 7 on the Saturday morning. And they're waking up the entire neighborhood, to say the least. Anyway, I'm gonna get ready, go to a coffee shop or something, do some studying, have to do like my Chinese homework, and hopefully start at least brainstorming whatever I'm gonna write for the Chinese history paper. Because I really don't have any ideas. And it has to be connected to like their leaders and stuff somehow. Anyway, I went out to get tapas with my friends yesterday. I went to the spot we've been before, which we really like, but somehow, I don't know why, but a lot of people wanted to go there yesterday. It's not payday or anything, or did they think so? There was like a long line outside. It was like completely stayed for 40 minutes, I don't know, for a long while time. So our table ended up getting, because I did pre-book table, so delayed, and also the food took forever, so that's unfortunate. And also that's why I ended up getting a whole super late, or not super late, I guess watched TV for like an hour before I went to bed, so I ended up going to sleep late. But I mean, later tonight I planned to be home, and I woke up at 7 because they started freaking construction. Oops. I also have no idea what to write for the paper, because obviously my teacher just told me write about something she mentioned in class, and then further instructions. So I'm really gonna have to, I guess, rack my brain around until I figure something out. It doesn't have to be in until like end of May, but I have a trip planned in May. Also, I'm maybe start working next week or the week after that, and I want to spend some more time doing that, or focus more on that. So I kind of want to have like write the paper in advance, so I can just like I guess correct the details in May and just send it in then. I don't know if you can hear the construction outside. And they're like remaking, because I live close to a preschool. They're remaking their entire playground, and I guess they can't do that while the children are there during the day playing, which makes sense. But I also don't appreciate being woken up by all this noise at all. Let's just hope they don't show up tomorrow. And after my little, I guess, study session, I'm going to my friend's house and we're just having a girls' night. And I think we're gonna continue watching Vampire Diaries, because I have an addiction or something. But I think I need to take a break from that show, because it started to give me nightmares. Or, yeah, I guess they're nightmares or like crazy dreams. Because I dreamed like that my, I guess, second cousin turned into a vampire, and locked me in my car and drowned it with me inside it. Not fun. And that sounds like a terrible way to go. So maybe I should watch something a little happier. And I think I have like 2 episodes left. What's the Chinese show I'm watching? The King's Avatar? I don't know the Chinese name. I don't know what to watch after that either. So, but if anyone has like good suggestions like K-dramas or C-dramas, let me know. Or it's not morning, it's midday. And no, I've not been sleeping until midday. Even if I wanted to, because this freaking construction keeps waking me up super early. I've just been at home. Anyway, last time I spoke to you, I could not access the website for the information for our final essay in Chinese history. So we're gonna have to go to school today and read all about it there and try to figure out at least topic to write for. We don't have to finish the entire thing today, but I need to bring a brainstorm a little bit. I have like a pre-recorded lecture I need to do. Because my teacher gave us like a lot of reading to do. Because apparently she didn't have time to show up for that class. I don't know why, because she's showing up for Chinese class because it's the same person. Wishing that you do something else at that time. I don't know exactly why. Oh, what's going on? And I don't feel like, I never said that I don't like her way of teaching. It just, at least in Chinese history, I just feel like she maybe isn't very interested in teaching that subject, so everything is like done half-heartedly. And she's not very enthusiastic about it, so how can anyone else be? And like, even in Chinese, her lectures aren't very structured. So, I don't know. If she sees me talk about it like this, I'm sorry, teacher. Hello, I came out to say good morning, but it's not morning. It's like 12 o'clock. And to my defense, I fell asleep at 3 a.m. So for me, it's kind of morning. Just kind of empty. But anyway, I have to get ready. I have like a meeting or introductory thing for work soon. I want to get lunch before that, so I don't get hungry. But anyway, you know, I did like job interviews for a few different workplaces a few weeks ago. So I think it's safe to say it went pretty well since there's something with the introductions. So yeah, I guess they're going to do that to me as well, because they're younger than my kids. Anyway, I had like 2 job interviews like 2 weeks ago, and then I reached out to like a third place I found on Facebook. and they said like, you guys are interested to book an interview, and then I asked for time and place, and then there was like radio silence. And I hate when that happens. Also after an interview, when they say we'll get back to you, so when it sounds good, we'll get back to you. In Sweden, that can be like everything between 3 days and like 6 months. And it's just really annoying. And if it's 6 months, then obviously I know I'm not going to get the job, so I even bother reaching out after 6 months. Because when I was in China, some people reached out to me when I was in China because I looked for job places before I even went there, like 2024, and then like fall 2025 they're like, oh, you won't get the job. Yeah, I understood that. So okay, the meeting went well, and I went into school to do some studying. I couldn't film anything because my computer ran out of battery. Like after 30 minutes I didn't film anything. I forgot to. And I can't do anymore because computer died. But I think I'm gonna do some drawing now. And yeah, maybe watch a movie or something, and that will be my evening. I came back from IKEA and we didn't get a lot of stuff, and thankfully there weren't a lot of people there because usually it's like crazy crowded. But I got new scissors because if you follow my videos and see the other ones, you know my other scissors are like covered in paint. And then I got a new disc light. I think it's the same one I already have, but that one has like a clip thing on it, so it clips onto the disc, and this one has like an actual stand. That's like very well needed because if you've noticed, my disc light flickers almost all my painting videos, so hopefully that can solve the problem. Yeah, that's it for now. It's like I think 2 o'clock already. I woke up kind of late as always. No, not as always. Lot later than usual, which is not good because I always wake up kind of late, I feel like. I'm still doing a bunch of construction outside. Even on weekends, I don't like that. And they keep waking us up like 7 AM on Saturdays. Where are the makeup brushes? Anyway, I want to go into the center. I want to go to a coffee shop or something. And also get lunch somewhere. Because I usually never get lunch like somewhere that's not home. Usually I just get leftovers for lunch. And then I need to walk around some shops as well. The only thing is my computer is heavy, so it's not as fun to go around shops when I know I have to carry that around. Yes. only choice. I mean, I need to work on home assignments a little bit. Since last time I checked, I only wrote like 5 lines because my computer ran out of battery. Alright, I should probably bring the charger as well then. Just to be on the safe side. But I've been helping my mom this morning, cutting and coloring her hair. Haven't had that much time to do anything else. And these people are like rebuilding the sandbox for the children because it's a preschool outside. And I don't know how long can it take to like recreate the sandbox. It's taking forever. We've been going on like this for a week at least now. But maybe I shouldn't judge. I know nothing about building things. Hello, it's kind of late to return my this is a little late night cookies. Let me try to finish this. Hello. It's like 12 o'clock now, and no, I didn't sleep until now. I actually didn't sleep in that long today, considering I woke up 6 a.m. yesterday. But I've just been doing some cleaning and laundry and fun stuff this morning. I'm gonna go down to the city center. I should see if I can go to this travel agency and get booked my flight ticket to Germany, because I'm going to Germany in May. And yes, I'm kind of late to book it, but better late than never. And then I have work in the evening, so I guess that's the plans for today. I'm not going to film cleaning because that's not fun for anyone. I don't know, do you like cleaning videos? Yeah, that's the plans. I'm going to cancel my Chinese class on Monday because apparently I'm gonna work then instead. So I should reschedule that. That's something else I actually think I need to do. No. Oh yeah, I ordered my entry card so I can get school or pass through school after closing hours. It's not really closing hours, it's like closing hours if you don't have the passage card. And I don't know when it's gonna come. I thought it was only going to take a week, and it's been 2 maybe? I have no idea. So I have to figure that out as well. No. Hello. It's 12 o'clock now. But yeah, as usual, I wake up kind of late. Oops. Anyway, I'm going on a little road trip with my mom to this clothing store she wants to check out. And then I don't have afternoon plans, I don't think. I want to finish the little painting. I probably need to study, but I don't want to. But that's the plans for today. And I guess if I don't study today, I have to do it tomorrow. The construction workers didn't come this week, so that's nice. Yeah, I don't have to be woken up 7:30 on a Saturday morning. Anyway, I wanted to finish the painting yesterday, but then my mom and my stepdad just wanted to watch TV when I got home from work. So I ended up not doing that. I want to finish it today though. Also yesterday I did manage to book the flight tickets to Germany, so that's exciting. The flight tickets have become so expensive. So that's not fun. They managed to get me a discount somehow, so that's nice. I'm excited about the Germany trip. We are back from the store. And we saw things out. We saw a bunch of things. It's not exactly a clothing store. They have go this way. They have kitchen stuff, kitchenware and bunch of other things as well. So it's not like just a clothing store. I've got these hair clips because I feel like hair clips always break. Like this little thing come out and then they're useless, but I got new ones. And candy. If you haven't had too much candy, you're missing out. That was loud. Another of these things because my bedroom window faces where the sun rises. So I wake up super early without that. Maybe I should stop throwing things. And then use socks because I lose my socks all the time. And it's so annoying. Or the vacuum cleaner eats them. That's all the things I got. And then my mom got other things. Let's try this. The thing is, I always thought that the slide is flickering. There's something to keep my speaker here. Maybe that's the one that keeps flickering and makes the light go bad in videos. So we're gonna check in what have G and see if there's a difference. Let's get away like purple flowers for this. Maybe this is a better option. I'm just pushing pink over like so. Problem, I have completely run out of white paint. I'm just gonna finish this with the paint I have left and call it this. Like, just consider this like a little small purchase because especially don't draw flowers. I mean, my last paintings have had flowers, but before that, I kind of never drew flowers. But I want to learn how to draw them better, learn to practice drawing them. So like this little canvas was like the best thing to practice on. But since I use like really light pink shades for this one, and I'm auto paint or white paint, I'm just gonna cover these and call it finished. Hello. But I'm gonna finish the vlog here. So thanks for watching, and I will speak to you guys in a hopefully not too far future. Bye bye.